Welcome back. In this video, I will tell you a solution for a problem in Salesforce. And to be honest, we should not call it a problem. It is one a setting in Salesforce which you enable, then the problem will automatically get solved. So the problem is that the code field is not visible on order page layout. As you can see, I have already opened an order record. Let me refresh the record, and you can see on this order record, if I go to details, then a quote field is not visible here. And also if I go to new quote, new order record, if I click on the new button, the quote field is not visible here on the page layout. So the first thing which a Salesforce admin will do is they will go to the object manager for that order object and go to page layout and verify that if the code field is added on the page layout or not. So if I go to the page layout, as you can see already here, the code field is already added. Let me just remove it and add it once. As you can see, I have added it and click on save. And now if I go to this code record and refresh the page, let's see if the field is visible or not. Let me click on details, and here you can see the code field is not visible. Also, if I click on new order, the code field is not visible here. So now what a Salesforce admin can do to bring that code field on the order record? For that, you have to go to fields and relationship. After that, search for that specific field which is code. Click on code. After that, click on set field level security, and here you will see sometimes the visibility of this code field is not enabled by default, and you need to enable them for that specific profile. As you can see, I am using the Salesforce admin profile, system admin profile, so I have enabled it for system admin profile as well as other profiles. And now I will click on save. Once you enable the visibility of this field on order object, then go to the page and refresh the page. And now if you create a new order record, as you can see, it is taking some time. Let me just refresh it once again and also see if it is visible on page layout or not. Okay, it is added. Let's click on save. Also, let's verify if I have really set it visibility or not, and set edit field. It is set. Let's save and just refresh the page. Let's wait for it to get saved. Yes, it is saved. Now let's refresh the page and let's open click on new, and again it is taking some time. Details, here also it is not visible because at that time that setting was not turned on. Let me click on edit if it gets visible. Here it is not visible, but if you go to new button, it will come up. Let me just hard reset page. As you can see, it has taken time, and now the code field is visible on the order objects. So this is how this is the setting which you need to enable to show the code field on order object. You have to go to first check the page layout and then go to that specific field and set the field level security and turn the visibility for that specific profile. That's it in this video. We will see more videos in the future lectures.